Hello, it's Jennifer from Sealemon. I've decided this upcoming month I want to do an art challenge. During this weird time, challenges have been keeping me more motivated on a routine and giving me something to look forward to, which is something I think we all need right now. So if you want to take this along with me, I am doing a 30-day fruit art challenge. You can start it right now, you can start it at the beginning of the month, whenever you want, whenever you feel like doing it. I'll put all the prompts right here so you can take a screenshot if you want. They are also listed in the description and I will be plugging it on my socials. I decided to go with an art challenge rather than a doodle challenge, but you can definitely doodle. These prompts are here to translate in any medium of your choice. I think fruit is always a fun subject matter, and personally I'm going to try to make more patterns out of these, and maybe some days I'll do it on my iPad in Procreate, and maybe some days I'll paint them. I don't know yet. I'm kind of keeping it open for myself, but whatever I make, I will post it on my Instagram and share it with you, and hopefully I can make it to 30 days. I'm kind of notorious for not finishing my own challenges, but since this is a weird time, I kind of have a feeling I'll finish it. Whatever you make, I would love to see it, so share yours with a hashtag sealemon, and I will share some of my favorites in my stories, and I would just in general love to see what you make out of this. I also want to thank everyone who has downloaded my 1-year Doodle Challenge book. You can find the link down below. It's a downloadable version of my Doodle book that has a prompt for every day of the year. So if you're really looking for a daily challenge, go check it out. And I love seeing your prompts. You guys still share them with hashtag sealemon. I love seeing them. I also have a bunch of free doodle challenges if you're interested in a playlist, and each video has a link where you can download a free template or download a digital version and you can doodle away on it. I'll put that link down below, as well as a playlist full of art challenges. So if you are really bored and looking for something to do right now, I have a ton of stuff on my channel. I'll link it all down below. I want to give a shout out to my Doodle Lemon patrons for helping me make more content like this. And if you're interested in supporting more art challenge type videos, go check out that tier. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and I can't wait to see your fruity art. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it so you can be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. And all of these links will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. This weekend there will be a new video. See you then. Bye.